Hey everyone, this is Rafael from Progress Videography and welcome back to this brand new transition video. In today's video, I will be sharing you top 20 transition in Premiere Pro. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. So wasting any more time, now let's start. Alright, first we add our video. Now we add our video transition. Go to transition folder and drag and drop this project file. If you face this problem, you just click lock file and select your transaction folder and search. It's automatically find out our footage. Now we open our project file and select this and drag and drop. Now our transition is ready. So guys, if you want to download this transition pack, please check our description box to get download link. Or if you're new in my channel, you should subscribe my channel to get this type video regularly. So guys, see you soon.